What's up, guys? We did it. All me and my grandpa and my brother. But we did it. We got it out. It's out. This is my old TBI. Just making videos because, yeah, this thing is dirty. And if you guys know us, well, we have dirty over there. Look at this. I cleaned it up a little bit, guys. Look at this bad boy. Also, this, I got everything I need for the fuel system. I'm just going to try and do emissions first. I don't want to deal with it. And then we're going to probably not even get rid of the lines all the way back to the back of the car. Probably gonna get rid of this fuel filter and then just run the lines back from under here, from like where this goes back to the tank. We'll run all the way back to the tank. And then I have my second hanger. Just gonna go get a cutoff disc and do my hanger mod. And, do that, but look at this bad boy, guys. Well, never had one of these covers. It looks nice. I mean, it's cracked right there, and it's not really bolted down. This will hold it. That'll hold it down for now. But yeah, just hanging out. Somebody's riding an ATV, guys. Look at that. My neighborhood's rowdy at night, man. They get rowdy in here. Yeah. So I painted the engine. I got the harness mostly done, guys. Ended up killing a couple terminals, so I decided, because I don't need half of the transmission stuff, to just do a split for the accessory stuff and everything else, MAF, all that stuff. And then here, the injectors, I just did a split to where, kind of like the factory harness, where each injector set is 2 injectors to a splice. And I just need to solder those, guys. Where's my solder? I think I finally put my solder up. This is my soldering area. Solder on the bed. She fell over, guys, but nothing broke. There's nothing on this side. But yeah, it's just chilling, and there's no fuel. There's no oil. It's so old. It's gonna, like, everything in here has probably got some grease, but we're gonna probably see what happens. It's still dirty, but cleaned up the coils a lot. I cleaned up the intake. I cleaned up the cover. I cleaned up the steam ports a lot. They were way caked. I need to go get a harmonic balancer puller, but I'm thinking about pulling it because I have to replace my radiator. I think I'm probably going to end up trying to pull it before I put it in there. So maybe probably tomorrow or Saturday I'll go get one from AutoZone or O'Reilly's and pull the pulley off. Oh gosh. And then we'll do that I'll probably put it on the chain and everything and pull it off, and then just wrap it back on. I need to get one, but figure that out. Need to get a new rad. Had an accidente. Was trying to, last night, had it up here. I was trying to get the motor to sit flat, and the cherry picker went like this. You just go like bam, and it goes, like a light turn, and it just dropped. So it's kind of a sad thing, but anyway, yeah, guys, we're getting closer. Got to do a couple things here and there, but yeah, a lot of people who do this do a lot more work. They do the electric transmission and all that, and for me, I didn't have to do a lot of that, because if you guys know, you might be able to tell. You can't kind of tell, but that's not the stock 700 R4. That's not the originals, because 700 R4 and the 4L60 are the same. The original 4L60. And they changed the names. I think this would technically, later on, if it was not electric, it would be like a 3L something. 3 forward and the gear ratio or something. So this is basically a turbo. It is a turbo 400, and I don't know the stall converter. I'm just gonna put it on there, guys. This is a daily. It's not sports truck. Not trying to breaking records. This is my little toy, guys. This is my a Honda. You know. A lot of people say these are cheap. I'm like, this car is. I've spent more money on this car than I've ever put into the truck. Just computers and stuff for this. The Honda alone is more than the HP tuners for this with credits. I could, for what I paid for my Honda, yes, I could use it and put it in any car. But as long as you swap the ECU and the car doesn't know, doesn't matter with the HP tuners. that I would say is the biggest disadvantage, would be how much it costs to tune a Honda in terms of like standalone. You can get the chipped P28. I had one of those, whatever. Just, you want to change your setup, you got to go get a new chipper, and you want to do that. I think the Honda is worth it, but it's just the price difference for like a Honda is quite expensive when you start really like doing a lot of modifications like that. Whereas this Turbo 400, super easy, not even have to do anything to it, don't have to wire anything, it just goes. We got the 5.3, gonna bolt it up. If you guys don't follow, and if you made it this far, give him a follow. Bad Luck Garage gave me, and most of the people, I saw this video 2 months ago, or posted a few months ago. This is the 4L80E flex plate off of the van and trucks with the 4L80, the 6 liters, and it has the so this is the stock one, the Tahoe, and or Yukon, has that dish. See it? Has that flat. When you look at this one, it's not, or not, it's flat, and then it sticks out. Well, you could buy the kit and get the little adapter and put it on the end of the crank and all that, but for me, it's $49 combo. Who's not gonna spend 49 bucks and get something with the bolts that bolts right up? At least for me. And I got it at Summit. I got all my parts at Summit, guys. For me, I just they're in Arlington, so they ship real quick and get everything in 1 day or 2. So anyway, guys, my phone's dying, but yeah, we're gonna hopefully get this in a few days, and we'll see from there. Later, guys.